Hey, what's going on, guys? Opening up another Amazon mystery box. 24 on a pallet, comes out to $37.50 a box. I'm gonna do something new. As I take this stuff out, I'm gonna scan it just to keep a total. See how much I'm gonna make, and per box. It doesn't take too long. Like it, share it, follow. I got all three right this time. In my eBay store will be in the comments below. Check it out. I got over 500 items right now, maybe more. Everything from wrestling stuff to whatever. All right, well, let's go. Open it up. Alright, this stuff it's like general merchandise. You get everything from. I'm gonna give you a quick. Anything from Xboxes, which I got one, to candy, food, clothes, you name it, it's in the boxes. But let's go check it out. First thing we have. A pedal resistant fitness equipment, and it's red. Someone else, I'll scan it. I'll see how much it's worth. If the scan works, I don't know if it will or not.
I mean, I'm sure a lot of us would be like, yeah, I'll take the 200,000. That's good. The only way for Candy and Melvin to receive
$24. You can't see that. That's $24.
On June 29th, 1964,
next item we have squirrel. I think a bunny rabbit. I really can't tell. I don't even know what these are. Some kind of molds.
They only stayed for a little bit at Jack's apartment, just for a few hours. And during that time,
these are called two-piece winter snow mold. Ideal snow toy, snowmaker, clip for kids, outdoor toy and snow toy. 3D shape rabbit and a squirrel. That's $14. And it's all brand new. Next item, tomato creamy soup, organic. Let me see the expiration date. December 16th, 2021, out of date. That goes in the trash. We have, I have no idea what we have there either. So scan it.
The intruder, frustrated with Jack for not dying quick enough, I guess, they took something heavy.
This is a alphabet Y throw pillow cover. Pink flowers, letter Y printed on pattern square. It fits a pillow, 18 times 18 inch, velvet modern, and that goes for $8. Only $8. Crunch berries. August 19th, 2022. They're still good. I think they go for $1 at the supermarket. Another one. Squished, but another one. Here we have a whole bunch of Altoids. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12. Let me see. See if I can get a price on these.
And some of the neighbors had remarked that they heard like a panicked shouting happening and various thuds happening in the direction of.
So these go for $17. $17 for all these. expiration date I can't see.
Candy, on the other hand, informed
I guess I'll open it up.
So police, of course, took this into consideration and tried to track down any men who had personal relationships with Jack, but at some point,
But it's still wrapped up on here. So these go for,
located Jack's personal diary.
I mean, the expiration date.
Inside this diary,
Oh, next February 2023.
weird and eerie comments
So these
and Melvin
first 4 or 5 items paid for the pallet itself.
how that Jack
And I still got a box full of stuff.
afraid of his wife and her lover.
So this is a book.
Lover, I must say.
Manners will take you where brains and money won't. Wisdom from Mama in 35 years of at NASA, NASA, by Donald G. James. Okay.
So back at Jack's home, crime scene investigators found
$8.
fingerprints
I'm sorry, $10.
countertop.
$10,
They run these bloody fingers
which is on sale.
through, their system. Voila, baby.
Next item we have is Smart Bones, the healthy alternative to rawhide for dogs. I have 2 dogs myself, so I guess I'll keep these for us, or for them.
So when they find it, they're like, okay, here it is. So I'm sure it was more than that. I feel like I'm making this more confusing. Stolen car, it was Jack's. Now it was found near a local airport and was searched. And of course, like inside, they find bloody fingerprints.
Let me see how much this goes for.
It was linked to Melvin again. Melvin, you're a little sloppy. As it turned out, Melvin had been seen in Miami.
They go for,
days that Jack's murder took place.
how many's in here? 56. Goes for $20.89 for this bag. $20.89.
But police wholeheartedly believe that Melvin did not act.
Pack of batteries, Duracell, AA, and there's 18 of them in a package. That has to go for a good 10, 12 bucks.
She was then taken into custody for her assumed association in her husband's murder as well. Candy knew she wouldn't do well behind bars. No. It's not the
18 count. Yep.
So she
$18.
hired a team of lawyers who made sure
Okay.
she never served a day in jail. Now, for
Oh,
over
we
a
got more
year,
Captain Crunch coming out.
both Candy and Melvin were free on
One,
bail. I'm getting started. As the pair survived, Candy and Melvin consistently asserted their
2,
Prosecution team presented a case showing Melvin
3,
and Candy
4. I'll keep these myself because I like Captain Crunch. Another one. Oh my God.
Over 1.6 billion gross and over 177 million in
Okay.
So a lot of money.
That's it for the Captain Crunch, I hope.
You had 177 million.
Alright, next item.
The rest.
Looks like a doggy sweatshirt for a very small dog.
The couple, they seem to travel a lot together and documented their trips with photos of them at speeches, concerts, and in nightclubs. Just teens that taking pictures together wherever they went. So they brought these into the courtroom and they told the jury, look,
Let me see how much this is worth.
happy couple. Look at them. Here's the motive. They wanted the money. They told the jury that Jack had recently learned of his wife's affair with her nephew. And
Sometimes it doesn't take. Oh, here it is. So this is a Bone Heartbeat dog hooded sweatshirt for small, medium dogs. Pullover basic hoodies and pocket pet sweater clothes. Small chest gray. Okay. It's gray, so it goes for $13. That's on sale for 10. Okay, next item. The fidget. I know they're a couple of dollars. I don't have to scan that. This, I have no idea what this is.
Argued that this was a weapon Melvin used to
Spring, summer, autumn.
Then the killer used
Spring, summer, autumn sunflowers, wooden
Candy's
Christmas.
mother was making sure that her husband was home alone. She had claimed to have a migraine and then insisted on
Floor mat,
kids before children
a floor doormat, decorations for holiday party indoor outdoor home office ornaments. $14.
She instead would just drove around for 3.5 hours. They told witnesses
Okay,
that Candy had spoken to them about
Papilio Slim apple cider vinegar gummies. It sounds terrible.
all signs point to
If you look it up, I'm gonna look for the expiration date.
We've got the motive, we've got witnesses who said that Candy was asking if someone would kill her husband. I mean,
Uh,
the defense team came back and thought that the bloody fingerprints that were found in the home/car could have been there from days before, for all anyone knew. This was before DNA testing, so all they knew.
I don't see an expiration date on these.
Like bloody fingerprints.
Not so much
and
they're
stuff,
worth.
But not who the blood belonged to. So they're trying to fight like, well, yeah, there's bloody fingerprints and stuff, but we don't know how it got there. Could have been left there from a couple of days before. I mean,
So the gummy bears go for,
Candy took the stand testifying that on many occasions
so 60 of them in here?
children had come home and found Jack involved with the
Weight management, energy, immune health, and blood sugar. Apple cider, 60 gummy bears. They go for $12.
Melvin, to you and I, it's like, oh, this is easy.
If they're in date, I don't know if they're in date.
The jury took like 16 hours to deliberate.
Next item, I have two. Sabo, S-O-B-A, Saba. Great for salad and soup, organic.
Not guilty.
All right, let's see how much these are worth.
They found insufficient evidence to convict the couple of murder, despite all of the evidence that were presented to the jury. The diaries, the love affair, the motive, the witnesses, not guilty. Now, the jury, they acknowledged there was enough motive that the affair in itself did not mean that they were responsible for Jack's murder. All of the evidence presented at trial turned out to be far too circumstantial for any guilty.
Just give me 1 second.
Sentence. For any guilty sentence.
All right, for one package, $5.50
It really didn't prove that
for one package. And is, doesn't say. A couple more things. Mystery box.
She's gonna snap at me if I go over there.
We got it. That goes over Captain Crunch. Sprout organic baby food. There's a case of them. Oh, there's 3 in there. Expiration date. It doesn't say. Oh, June 15th, 2022. Let's see how much it's worth. Stage 3, 6 pouches. $23 a box. Hope that's not it. Okay, I had to do more research. This goes for $15 a box of 6. Organic baby food. Stage 3 is for 8 months and up. And it's good, like I said, until I think June. I better start selling it. Actually, that box alone paid for the whole big box. All right, next item. We have McCormick. This is a set, do not separate. All right, let me see if I can scan that. It's $26. That's what it looks like for the case. That's McCormick Golden DIPT breading cracker meal pack of 8. 10 ounces. Not bad. Now we have a phone case. I tell you, we get everything in these pallets. Everything. This is for a case iPhone 13. Worth $7. Last box. Folgers for the Keurig. Nice. Let me see if I can get a scan on this. Nope. Let me try this one up here.
Where's Daddy's spot? No doubt Daddy's in there. You are unbelievable, dog.
All right, let me cut it open. Oh, well, individual. Nice. They're gonna go for some good money, I bet. They expired May 22nd, 2021. Just for the heck of it, I'm gonna see how much they're worth. What a waste. $12.24.36 for the whole case. It would have been $53 if they're in date, but they expired, like I said, last May 22nd, 2021. All right. So if you see anything you like, just check out my eBay store. Any comments? If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I only have 4 or 5 people watch, but it's a start, I guess. See you next time.